Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the new arming options added to the OSI Alarm System Gen 2 4G. These updates give you more flexibility and control when arming your system. Alright, let's take a look at how these options appear when you arm the system. From the home screen, when you tap Arm Away, you'll now see a small menu appear at the top center of the screen. These are quick access options you can use on the fly. Plus 30. When you tap plus 30, the system adds 30 extra seconds to your exit delay. This is perfect for those moments when you start arming the system and realize you need a little bit more extra time. Maybe an elderly person needs more time to walk out the door, grabbing shoes or keys, getting a child or pet ready, putting on a coat, or locking another door. Instead of canceling the entire arming sequence and starting over, tapping plus 30 gives you extra time instantly. Pressing it multiple times will keep adding an additional 30 seconds to the countdown. I'm going to let the countdown continue so I can show you the next option. The X button gives users a quick, obvious way to cancel the arming countdown if they tapped arm by mistake or just not ready yet. While pressing disarm can also cancel the countdown, the X keeps the action simple and easy to understand during the countdown screen. So when I press the X, it prompts me to enter my passcode to disarm the alarm system. The skip button lets you end the countdown and arm the system right away. This is helpful during testing, installation, troubleshooting, or demonstrations. So as you can see, if I press arm away, and if I select the skip button, it arms immediately. So it really saves time if you're needing to test specific sensors, features, or settings, etc. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share it. You'll find links in the description to more videos like this one so you can get the most out of your OSI alarm system. Also, if you want that extra layer of protection and peace of mind, upgrade your OSI Alarm System Gen 2 and switch to 24/7 alarm monitoring anytime. Available in North America. Check the description for links and for more information to view plans and subscribe. Or head to osigodirect.com and tap monitoring in the main menu.